Home Remedies presents.
This powerful homemade tea will cure swollen feet, ankles and legs in few days. Swollen feet or ankles are the result of fluid accumulation in the base of the legs. According to medical specialists, swelling in the feet and legs is due to an imbalance in the amount of blood that goes down with the amount that goes back through the legs, where blood plasma ends up overflowing the vessels. It can be directly linked to health or simply a reflection of a tiring day or physical discomfort. The important thing is to know that there are natural ways to treat this disease using the benefits extracted from roots and plants. Scientists have found that parsley is rich in 9 powerful antioxidants, folate and vitamins A and C. Beyond its ability to reduce swelling and water weight, parsley can also balance blood sugar levels, and the inherent flavonoid apigenin possesses remarkable anti-cancer properties. Eugenol, a powerful oil in parsley, has strong anti-inflammatory properties that help suppress joint swelling. Yet it is one of the most effective ways to naturally treat swollen feet. Therefore, it is also popular among people who need to lose weight fast before an important event, as it eliminates the excess fluids from the body. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Here is how to prepare parsley tea at home. Ingredients for 1 quart of tea: 1 cup parsley chopped, 4 cups water. Instructions: boil the water in a saucepan. Add the parsley and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Leave it to rest with the covered container for 20 minutes. The next step is to strain and accommodate it in a container. You should aim to drink up to 2 quarts of parsley tea daily. When you make a batch of tea, use the stems and leaves of parsley bunches. You can make a giant batch in one go, or you can make 1 quart at a time.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.